Hello people over there, it's IG over here. So let's make some very tasty crispy donuts. Okay, so I've taken some maida over here and now I'm gonna add some powdered sugar. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon, half cup milk. Let's just mix it. Okay, I'm adding 2 tablespoon vinegar. Now a pinch of salt. And yeah, mash it. So I have just made a dough over here as you can see it. And now actually I'm gonna add some ghee in it. So if you have butter you may also add that too. So here I'm adding 2 spoon ghee. So let's just mash it a little bit more and make a soft dough. Yeah, I guess it's almost ready now. Yeah, it's ready. So uh, you can just look at its texture and now actually there is one more important step. We need to cover it up. So yeah, I'm using a wet cloth over here and I'm gonna let it rest for 1 hour so it can just set. Okay, it's almost the time. Let's open it. Ooh, it really looks very spongy. As you can see, it's really soft and spongy. So now let's just start making our donuts. So yeah, I'm just parting it. So okay, let's make it a fine ball. So let's spread some maida and then we actually start we're gonna make some donuts. It's just very exciting. Okay. Um let's start. Actually I add Eno in it, so it has actually become a lot spongy. So I'm actually rolling it. You can it's just see it. It's really hard to roll it out. So you can use any kind of sharp object to make some big circles in it. So make sure it's really sharp, otherwise it's not gonna cut out finally. See, you need to have a lot of strength to cut it out. I'm actually gonna use some bottle cap, so just to make a small hole in it. It's this hole which gives the donuts its real identity. Otherwise we'll call it a donut. Okay, fine. Jokes apart. So let's see it. I think it's really gonna look great. I just love this step. Let's remove it. It's gonna look wonderful. I'm just getting a gut feeling kind of thing. Let's see. Okay, it's just looking as good as I thought. Just look at it. It's just almost perfect. This round shape, see. Look how much spongy it is, right? So now I have to make more donuts from the dough that was remained. So here, see, I have made all it. They are just perfectly shaped, right? Oh, they look so beautiful, right? So I'm gonna fry it up. So here I'm taking some oil in a kadhai, and okay, you can see the temperature is okay. So it's just heated well. So I'm gonna try it and just look, the magic is happening over here. So we have to fry it till it become you know somewhat light brown in color. So just look at it. It's, I guess, fried up well. So I'm now gonna take it out in some other plate. See, it's finely colored and just looks amazing. Yeah, here they go in. It looks beautiful. Actually, this color is enough, to make someone's mouth watery. It's look, they are crispy, spongy. and just amazing. So now here I'm using Hershey syrup because I'm very much lazy to go out and bring some chocolate. So yeah, here I'm gonna use some syrup. You may use some melted chocolate. You may just melt it using the double boiler method, or maybe in microwave too. So just see, I have dipped it in syrup, and now see, the magic is going to happen. Just look at this, it's just amazing, okay, isn't it? Well, I just used some some chocolate syrups and some goodies to decorate it out, but I guess it just looks amazing.